some issues.
All right, let's take a look at what's going on this morning because it is cool out there. Look at these numbers coming in the upper 50s. We do have 63 degrees right now in Centerville. Where should we be now for this time of the year? Right around 60s. So I'm going to go with seasonally cool for the most part. But the shock to the system comes because we have not been dealing with these temperatures like this. So make sure you grab that jacket, some long sleeves for this morning. And as the day goes along, it's just going to be nice and refreshing out there. Hopefully you will be able to get out there and enjoy it. Plenty of 59s in Edgewood around Timonium this morning, 59 in Millersville. Edgewater, you're coming at 57, and we're looking at 56 degrees right now in Sykesville and Jarrettsville. Good morning to you. You're coming in right around 55 degrees as well. Also, we have the winds for today, so it is going to be a bit breezy through the morning and then the afternoon, and then we'll start to get more on the windier side of things, gusty in fact. Right now we see those winds out of the northwest, so we can see that that frontal passage has gone through, and we are going to continue with that northwesterly flow at about 5 to 15 miles an hour as we go through the rest of the morning time frame. We could have gusts today, though, up to about 30, 35 miles an hour. That's not out of the question, so prepare for that. If this is your trash day, you know what to do. Radar and satellite composite, not picking up on a whole lot right now, but I'm watching this right here, and this will continue to work its way off towards the east. It could swing around, but even if it doesn't, it will bring us clouds through the morning, and if we do get some shower activity, it's just going to be very light in nature if that does happen. But we will have the clouds as the morning goes along, and then once this passes by the afternoon, we will start to see much more sunshine in the forecast. So it is going to be a nice day if you like temperatures in the low 70s. At the surface, this is that cold front that's moved through. This is the one I'm talking about. In its wake, we are going to be dealing with the windy conditions, but also the dry conditions. So the humidity, oh, that's going to be squashed for today. And as you head out the door this morning, you're going to feel it. It's nice and crisp out there. ABC2's most accurate futurecast already went into motion, and this is the chance, the little stray shower that could move through the day, through this morning, I should say, and then we'll clear out behind that nicely as the clouds move in. And in terms of what we're going to be looking in the long term, if you do have some plans, maybe on Saturday, we do have another system that's going to be moving through. I think most of it, though, is going to come later in the afternoon, evening time frame. I'll detail that coming up. Now let's get a check of the traffic with Lauren.